Hi, welcome to my video on evaluating limits, and this one is on extra problem number 1. So I have one extra problem here, and that's to find the limit as x approaches 2 of the square root of x plus 2 minus 2 divided by the square root of x minus 1 minus 1. Notice we have a root in the denominator and the numerator. So if you decide to rationalize the denominator, we will multiply it by x minus 1 plus 1, because that's the conjugate. The conjugate of square root of x minus 1 minus 1 is the square root of x minus 1 plus 1. So we change this sign right here. So it's the square root of x minus 1 plus 1. That's going to eliminate the square root on the bottom. So let's see what we'll get if we just do that. So this is the square root of x plus 2 minus 2, and we'll leave that multiplication alone. That's like that. And so we'll multiply the denominator here. So that will give us the square root of x minus 1 times itself will give you x minus 1. And a negative 1 times positive 1 is a negative 1. So that gives us x approaches 2 on, let's fill in what's in these brackets, the root of x plus 2 minus 2 root of x minus 1 plus 1, and simplify the denominator as x minus 2. So you notice that we can't cancel out the x minus 2, but we have a root in the numerator. So let's multiply again, but this time let's multiply by the conjugate of this one. So that's the square root of x plus 2 plus 2. So the conjugate of this expression here is the square root of x plus 2. So we change this sign to a plus. So we do that on top and bottom. So there it is. So that gives us, if you multiply these two together right here, they're conjugates. And let me write down the limit as x approaches 2 first. So the product of these two right here is x plus 2, and negative 2 times positive 2 is negative 4. So there's that product, and let's leave the other one like this, over x minus 2. So that's the limit as x approaches 2. This simplifies to x minus 2. And, oh, I got this. I forgot, I multiplied here. I forgot to write this one down, so just be careful. I gotta be careful because it's so easy to make a mistake. So this becomes x minus 2 times the root of x minus 1 plus 1. The denominator is x minus 2 times the root of x plus 2 plus 2. They cancel out, so that gives us the limit. X approaches 2, and that gives you the root of x minus 1 plus 1, all of the root of x plus 2 plus 2. And now we got to do limit as approaches 2. So as approaches 2, we get the root of 2 minus 1 plus 1. Approaching 2, so x is 2, 2 plus 2. So I put 2 right here, and I put 2 right here. Now I work that out, so that's the root of 1 plus 1. This is the root of 4 plus 2. And I'll just go sideways now. So that's square root of 1 is 1 plus 1. Square root of 4 is 2 plus 2. So that's 2 over 4, which is 1/2. So again, It's a little bit trickier because you have a radical in the denominator and a radical in the numerator. And when I did the denominator first, which you normally would do, it didn't simplify. So this is a tricky one in that you had to do the rationalize the denominator and do the conjugate of the numerator. So it's a double. So that's why I seen this one around and I wanted to show it to you. And again, if you like my video, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, visit my math website, www.mathfullyexplained.com, to find more information about me, my videos, and the content. That's the content on my YouTube channel called Math Fully Explained, just one word. Thank you for viewing my video. Hope the video was of some help to you. Bye-bye.